All right, guys, here it is. Nestle Toll House chocolate chip cookie blizzard. Not right out of the oven because it is a blizzard. But man, when I heard that they were doing Nestle Toll House chocolate chip cookies, the best chocolate chip cookie in the world, by the way, in this blizzard, I thought, man, I have got to give that one a try. Check that out right there. Look at that. Man, little chocolate chip cookie pieces. I guess they just take the chocolate chip cookies, crumble them up. It's got the chocolate chips in there. Man, I want to say right out of the oven, because that's when Nestle Toll House chocolate chip cookies are the best. Let's find out if this tastes like fresh made chocolate chip cookies. Toll House is going to be good anyway, but let's find out how good this is. I'm speechless. This is good. It's got some really big chunks in it too. I was thinking that it was going to be like crumbled up pieces. Although that's covered in ice cream, that is one big chunk right there of a chocolate chip cookie. Let's go in for it. The best combination for chocolate chip cookies, the best companion for chocolate chip cookies is, of course, that milk. It's the same thing we leave out for Santa every Christmas, milk and cookies. Bernie Mac used to talk about gonna get me some milk and cookies. That's what this tastes like. It's like dipping that chocolate chip cookie down into the milk. I might even say it's a little bit better. It's a little bit better than just milk because it's ice cream. So maybe the best companion for chocolate chip cookies is no longer milk. Maybe it's ice cream. It's good like this. This thing has some really big, like, chocolate chip morsels. It's not the little tiny fellas. It's the full size chocolate morsels and good sized pieces of cookie. That is impressive. It's almost like they formed the shape and size. So that's the chunk of cookie right there. It really just fell off the spoon. That is all cookie piece right there. They did not skimp with this one. Big cookie piece, big chocolate morsel. This one's a winner. Okay, so as always, when it comes to the blizzards and trying them, I always get the mini size. $2.99. I'm beginning to really believe this is the perfect size. Much more than that size right there, and I begin to get a stomachache. And if it was one that size, I would eat the whole thing, so I would definitely get a stomachache. So this one is the perfect size. Mini, $2.99. Worth every penny. If you like chocolate chip cookies and you like it with the flavor of milk, then this is one you should run out and get. It definitely has that Toll House flavor, not just like some generic chocolate chip cookie. It definitely has that Toll House flavor. All right, guys, it might not be right out of the oven, but it does have that same flavor of the right out of the oven Nestle Toll House chocolate chip cookies dipped in milk. Great combination. That's how you eat them. That's how they did it. They did a great job mixing this together. I mean, it's not like a big deal. It's the regular ice cream or the regular soft serve with some pretty sizable chocolate chip chunks in there. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna say, for me, this one gets an 8.1. How can you go wrong with chocolate chip cookies mixed in ice cream? The answer is you can't. You can't go wrong with it unless you're allergic to ice cream, allergic to chocolate, or you just don't like chocolate chip cookies. I say go get you one today. Like the very first chance you have to run by a Dairy Queen, go get one of these, give it a try. You'll be happy you did, because as it says, happy tastes good. That's my view of the chocolate chip cookie blizzard by Toll House from Dairy Queen. And with that, I say good day.